morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying good health. Okay, student. Today is our lecture number 6 and unit number 1, numbers. Now today topic is position. Today topic is position, page number 32. First of all, what is the definition of position? When things, objects and people are placed in order, that will be their position. Okay, student. It means when the thing, object and people are in which place, that place which will be their position. Means कि कोई भी चीज या कोई भी इंसान जिस जगह पर वो स्टैंड अप होगा, जो उसकी प्लेस होगी, उसकी उस प्लेस को हम पोजीशन कहते हैं. We use ordinal numbers for their position. और पोजीशन को मेंशन करने के लिए हम ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स राइट करते हैं. स्टूडेंट, आप सबको ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स के बारे में प्रीवियस लेक्चर में आप सबको ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स के बारे में बताया जा चुका है. ओके, आई विल टेल यू अगेन. I will recall the ordinal numbers which are ordinal numbers. As you know, first, this is a short form of ordinal number and this is the complete name first. Its complete name is first and its short form is this. And how we write this first? हम ये first कैसे write करते हैं स्टूडेंट? Listen to me carefully. First मतलब पहला नंबर. पहला नंबर तो हम यहाँ पे write करेंगे 1. 1 के बाद हम ये जो हमारा फर्स्ट है ना, ये कंप्लीट जो इसके स्पेलिंग्स हैं, इसको जो ये लास्ट 2 वर्ड्स होंगे ना, वो हम इसके साथ यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा ऊपर करके राइट कर देंगे. हम इस तरह से फर्स्ट राइट करेंगे. दिस इज द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ फर्स्ट. नाउ मूव टू द सेकंड. हाउ वी राइट द सेकंड? सेकंड इज नंबर 2. First of all, we write the number 2, then we write the last two letters of second, N and D. 2 and D. It will be second. Okay, like this. Third. Third. How we write? Third number is number 3. So we have to write here number 3. And what will we have to write here? We have to write the last 2 letters from this word. Third and its last 2 letters are RD. So we have to write here third. Understand? It's first, it's second, it's third. Now we have to write fourth. FOURTH. It's the complete name of fourth. When we write its short form, जब हम इसको इसकी short form में लिखेंगे तो क्या करेंगे? पहले हम राइट करेंगे 4. 4 के बाद क्या करेंगे हम? We have to choose last 2 letters from this word. हम इस fourth word से इसके last 2 letters लेंगे, जिसके साथ हम यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा ऊपर करके राइट कर देंगे like this. Fourth. Okay student? First, second, third, fourth. ये मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि आप फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, हमारे पास ये फुल नेम है इनका, तो इनको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कैसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं? हाउ वी कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द शॉर्ट फॉर्म? तो हम क्या करेंगे? 1 राइट करेंगे, उसके लास्ट 2 लेटर्स इसके साथ थोड़ा सा ऊपर करके राइट कर देंगे. नेक्स्ट हम 2 राइट करेंगे और सेकंड के लास्ट 2 लेटर्स इसके साथ राइट कर देंगे. देन वी राइट 3 एंड वी हैव टू टेक लास्ट 2 लेटर फ्रॉम दिस वर्ड RD. ओके, फोर्थ. नाउ मूव टू द नंबर 5th. Okay student, its fifth spelling is like this. ये हमारी fifth की spelling है student? No, this is wrong. fifth में देखिए किस किस की साउंड आ रही है? fifth, F-I-F, fifth, T-H, fifth. This is the spelling of complete name of fifth. Okay student? Now we have to write here 5, then the last 2 letters TH. Okay student? Now move to the 6th. ये स्टूडेंट ये हम आपको लास्ट प्रीवियस लेक्चर में भी बता चुके हैं, बट हाँ पोजीशन के टॉपिक में ये ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स हमारे यूज होंगे, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर रिवाइजिंग दिस ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स. Now what should we write here? We have to write here number 6. Then we have to write here TH. Its last two letters TH. Okay, student. Now move to the 7th. SEVENTH. 7th. Now write number 7 and its last two letters TH. Now move to the number 8. Okay, student. We have to write 8. Then TH. Okay, student. Now 9th. 9 and TH. Its last two. Now next 10th. 10 and its last two letters TH. Okay, student. Understand how we write our ordinal numbers? Student, this is the full name of ordinal numbers. Its complete spelling, complete name, first, second, third, fourth, its complete name, and this is a short form of ordinal numbers. And we have to write these numbers to mention our position. हमारा आज का टॉपिक पोजीशन का है. जब भी हम पोजीशन को मेंशन करेंगे तो पोजीशन को मेंशन करने के लिए हम ये वाले नंबर्स राइट करेंगे. Okay, student. First of all, we have to remember that which are our ordinal numbers. हमें सबसे पहले अपने ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स लर्न करने हैं. ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स लर्न करने के बाद हम पोजीशन को मेंशन कर सकते हैं. दीज आर ऑल आवर ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स एंड दीज आर द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ मूव टू द एक्सरसाइज. हियर आर सम डक्स. ओके स्टूडेंट, आई हैव टोल्ड यू द थिंग्स and the things and objects which are placing in order, that in which order they are placing, that order will be their position. For example, here are ducks. How many ducks are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here are 10 ducks. They are placing in order, starting from this to moving this side. So we have to find out its position. Okay, student. So what should we do now? First of all, we have to look in which position, in which order this duck number first is. It is in first position. Now move to the next duck. Next duck, in which position, in which order our duck number 2 is? In second position. So we have to write here its short form second, 2 and D. Okay, students. We always write ordinal numbers to mention their positions. Don't write 1 2 3 4 5. We don't like these numbers. We always write ordinal numbers to mention the positions of any object, people and things. Here are ducks. Now this duck is first position. This duck position is second. Now move to the next duck. This, in which order this duck is? This is in third position. We have to write here third position means in which place, in which order things are here. Now move to the next duck. Next duck is duck number 4 and its position, its place is fourth. It's on the fourth number. Now move to the next duck. It's in which position it is? First, second, third, fourth, next, fifth. In fifth number, this position is, this duck position is fifth. Now move to the next duck. Next duck is on the sixth position. Okay. Move to the next duck. This duck is seventh position or seventh number. Now move to the next duck. This duck is eighth position, eighth number. Okay, student. Now move to the next duck. This duck position is ninth, and this last one is 10th position. Okay, student. Understand how we write their position? First of all, we have to look in which position, in which order the things are. So we have to find which position and in which order they are. It's first, here you can see this duck is on the first position, on the first number. So we have to write the first here. Next duck is on the second number. So we have to write here second. The next duck is placing in the third number. So we have to write here third. Okay, students. Now look at the next example. What's written here? Next to each head, write its position in the line. Start at the front of the line. Here are some heads. So we have to write their position. They are placing in orders from this side to that side. So we have to write their position. So this head is placing in one number. So its position is first. This head number 2 is placing the second number. So we have to write here its position number second. This one is placing the third line. We have to write the third position here. This is at the fourth position. This head at the fifth position. This is at the sixth position. This is at the seventh position. This is at the eighth. This is at the ninth position, and this is at the 10th position. Understand, student? You can see here, this is the first one head, so its position is first. This is the second one head, its position is second. We have to look in which order, in which number the things are. That order will be, that number will be their position. For example, this is first one, so we have to write here first. This is fifth one, this is at the fifth number, so we have to write here its fifth position. Understand, students? Student, now look at this. Here are some smileys. So student, this is color the first, second and eighth face yellow. Color all the other face blue. This is your home task. What should you do now? You have to color the first, second and eighth. First of all, you have to find out which smiley is at the first position, which smiley is at the second position, and which smiley is at the eighth position. This is our first position. This smiley is at the second position, and which is at the eighth. So let's count: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. This is at the eighth position. So you have to color first, second and eighth yellow color. You have to color the first, second and eighth in yellow color. Now rest are smileys. First of all, you have to write their positions like this. You have to solve this at your books. This is your home task. Okay, student? First of all, you have to write their positions according to their place, according to their place and according to their order. Okay, student? So you have to color the first, second and eighth yellow, and color all other faces blue, and other faces you have to color in blue. Okay? The remaining faces, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and 9, 10. You have to color them blue. This is your home task, student. You have to do at your home. Student, next topic is few and more, page number 34. Few are less things, more are more things. For example, look at the book. Look at the book, student. So, what is written here? Topic is more and few. Topic is more and few. Count the number of objects in each pair of sets and then write in answer box. Tick the set with more number of numbers. Cross the set with a few number of members. Okay, students. Here are two sets are given us. So we have to tick the more number of members, and we have to cross the fewer number of members. Which are more and which are few. More and few. Few mean less, more mean more. Few मतलब कम, more means ज़्यादा. Okay, student. Few mean कम, more means ज़्यादा. Here are 2 burgers and here are 3 cupcakes. Which are more Here are cupcakes. They are more. So what should we do now? We have to put tick here, and these are few. So we have to put cross here. Understand, student? Now look at the next. Here, how many eggs are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are 5 eggs. Okay, student? Now here, how many breads are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 breads are here. So which have more? Eggs are more, bread are more. Here are eggs are more. So we have to put tick here. Now look at the bread. They are few. So we have to put cross here. Okay, student. Now next. Here, how many pairs are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pairs. How many bananas are here? 1, 2, 3, 3 bananas. Which are more, pear or banana? As you can see, 4 are more because its amount is more. देखिए स्टूडेंट, पेयर एंड बनाना में ज्यादा कौन से हैं? हमारे पेयर ज्यादा है ना, बनाना कम है. जो चीज ज्यादा होती है उसको हम मोर में यूज करते हैं, जो चीज कम होती है उसको हम फ्यू में यूज करते हैं. फ्यू मीन लेस, लेस मीन कम, मोर मीन ज्यादा. ओके स्टूडेंट, जो मोर होगा उसमें हम टिक करेंगे, जो लेस होगा उसमें हम करेंगे क्रॉस. अब यहाँ पर देखिए, नाउ लुक एट द स्ट्रॉबेरीज. हाउ मेनी स्ट्रॉबेरीज आर हियर? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 स्ट्रॉबेरीज एंड 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strawberries. 7 strawberries and 6 oranges. So student, look, which are more? इन दोनों में ज्यादा कौन से हैं? Strawberries are more, so we have to put tick here, and oranges are less, so we have to put cross here. So student, rest are examples you have to solve by yourself at your home. Okay. Now look at the page number 35. Okay student. Now look at the page number 35, road number A, road number B. First of all, we have to count how many fish are at the road number A. Fish number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fish? 13 fish. Now look at the road number B. How many fish are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fish are here. Okay student. Which road have more fish? Road A have more fish. Now road B has less fish. As you can see, here are 13 fish on road A. Here are 5 fish on road B. Road A has 13 fish, which are more. Road B has less fish, which are road B has 5 fish, which are less. Okay. Now road A has dash more fish than road B. Student, road A has 13 fish. Okay. Road A has 13 fish and road B has 5 fish. Road A has 13 fish. Road B has 5 fish. So we have to compare now. Road A has dash more fish than road B. Road A, how many fish are more than the road B? हमने ये बताना है कि रोड ए में रोड बी से कितनी ज्यादा फिश है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 13 में से 5 को कर देंगे माइनस. जो हम 13 में से 5 माइनस करेंगे तो कितना आ जाएगा? 13 फिश, रोड बी हैज 5. अब हमने बताना है कि रोड ए में रोड बी से कितनी ज्यादा फिश है. Here are 13 fish in road A and 5 fish in road B. जब हम 13 में से 5 को जब 13 में से हम 5 को माइनस करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा 8. So student, how many fish? 8 fish. Road A has 8 more fish than the road B. Now road B has dash fewer fish than road A. Like similarly, road B has 8 fewer fish than the road A. Now next exercise, next activity you have to solve at your home by yourself. Okay students, your homework, do practice of book page 32 to 35. You also have to solve these pages and also you have to practice of these pages, plus learn times table of 3. Okay students, take care, stay safe, stay at home. Allah Hafiz.